Dogecoin to $1 in the month of April, which is less than 30 days away. According to this expert analyst who called this massive move of Dogecoin before it even took place, I think that this guy is right. I think Ali Charts is right. He's calling for $1 Dogecoin. He's actually calling for much higher. But he says, this may sound wild, but if history is any guide, Dogecoin could hit $1 by mid-April, which would put us around 420. That's Elon Musk's favorite number. It's our favorite number, especially as it regards Dogecoin. But how about $4.20 by 420? Wouldn't that be cool? In the 24th year, 2024, $4 Dogecoin. Wouldn't that be cool? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. $4 does not seem at all plausible. But it really depends on what happens with Bitcoin. And then if XRP, if they win their lawsuit, they settle with the SEC, it's going to pump the whole crypto market as well. The way everything is looking is extremely bullish, and we're going to go much higher over these next few months. So I'm thinking that $1 Dogecoin is quite likely. Let's go over the charts. Let me share with you guys my thoughts of what is going on. So Bitcoin right now is sitting at around $69,000. It hasn't really moved much for the past 5 days. So for 5 days, we've just been pretty much chilling at this level. We did have a rejection at 69,000, followed by a really big correction in the overall crypto market. But overall, Bitcoin is continuing to climb higher. The past 5 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, we've been pushing higher, and we had one red day. So Bitcoin is still holding strong here. This could be resistance, and we could get a pullback here with Bitcoin. Dogecoin ended up showing a lot of strength these past couple of days, pumping all the way back up to now nearly 19 cents. So Dogecoin right now is about 17 cents, and we might pull back a little bit further. Our key support for Dogecoin is going to be around 13 cents. So this is our key support here, which is going to be a really good area around 12 to 13 cents. Let me go ahead and put a box for you guys to see. It looks like this is going to be a really good buying opportunity level for Dogecoin for the bull market. If we ever get another pullback to this level, potentially even lower to around 10 cents, this would be completely normal, completely in the cards. If that did happen for Dogecoin to pull back to 10 cents and then we rip up higher, we might not get that. But it all depends on Bitcoin. There's a lot of stuff happening this week. I believe we have CPI, a whole bunch of data that's going to cause a lot of fluctuation, a lot of volatility in the crypto markets. If we take a look at the S&P 500, we can see the S&P 500 has actually been correcting. Let me go to the daily time frame. We've had a couple of red days. It's been pushing a bit lower the past couple of days, but we're going to probably continue pumping up for the stock market, which is good for cryptos, as well as the NASDAQ. We've essentially been making all-time highs every couple of days throughout the past several weeks for the stock market, which is good. If we take a look at the dollar, which is something that we want to go down, something that we do not want pumping, which it is going down, it does not look bullish. That's very good for cryptocurrencies. Now, we're seeing a little bit of red the past couple of days for cryptos. Bitcoin ended up pumping up a lot. It seems like Ethereum is pulling back just a little bit, and that's completely normal, completely healthy after a multiple 100% gain for Ethereum for Bitcoin in just the past several months. So any pullbacks that we are getting is completely normal, absolutely normal, and these tend to be really good buying opportunities, especially for altcoins. If you guys want to get involved and like to buy, wait for pullbacks, wait for strong flushes. And those are going to be your times to buy. Don't chase when the market is pumping. Just wait for the red days. This is my opinion. It's not financial advice, but essentially wait for red days. Don't buy when things are green. Invest when things are red, when things are boring, when nobody wants to buy. That's when you buy. Like the other day, Dogecoin crashed all the way to 12 cents, a huge flush. When you see a big flush like that, that's the time to get involved buying because you're at a discount. When prices are above these premium levels, you're paying a premium. And guess what happens when you are in a premium? The market always will kind of pull back to the mean, which is the middle, and eventually make its way back to discounts. So you want to buy when things are discounts are going to be at support, where the price, when it comes down, it comes to a level, it bounces up. That's where the discount is. That's where the support is. That's where the banks and the institutions are buying. The banks and institutions are not buying at the top for the most part. They're not really buying at the peaks. And if they are, they're long-term minded. They're not worried about, oh, it just went up today, I'm going to buy, and it goes down tomorrow, oh, I'm so worried. They're not worried about that because they see the future. They see the longevity over the next few months, the next several years. That's how big banks and institutions think. Like Michael Saylor, he's been buying Bitcoin. He's buying Bitcoin at these levels. He's not worried about the volatility of today. He's looking forward to the next 10 years, the next 5 years, the next 2 years. And that's how these people are able to buy at certain levels. That's why they buy, period. And that's why they're long-term minded. They don't care about the day-to-day volatility. Like me and you, we do worry sometimes about the day-to-day volatility. So $1 for Dogecoin, I think, is very, very likely. How is that going to happen? Well, we have the halving. It's going to take place next month. And that's going to cause a crazy supply shock for Bitcoin, which pushes the price up really strong and really, really, really fast. So that's the next major event that people are going to be hyping up, and it's going to be priced into the crypto market, which is getting priced in at the moment, but it's not the buy the rumor, sell the news event, in my opinion. The Bitcoin halving event, just like the Bitcoin ETFs, it was not a buy the rumor, sell the news event. It was actually a very bullish event, and look, cryptos have gone way up after the event. The Bitcoin halving is going to be even more bullish than the Bitcoin ETFs because it reduces the supply by miners that they're able to receive the rewards in half. So whenever people are mining Bitcoin, they receive a certain amount of rewards for mining, but those rewards are cut in half every 4 years. That's what the halving event is. And guess what that means? Is that there's less supply being put out, which means that there's now, with a lot of demand and much reduced supply and demand, it causes crazy squeezes and fast, strong moves to the upside. And that's actually what's happening right now. There's not much supply left because these Bitcoin ETFs are buying thousands of Bitcoin every day, just about. And then you have only so much supply on Coinbase and all these exchanges that eventually here in the future, with the halving and with the halvings in the future, is going to cause an incredible supply squeeze, which with that demand is going to push the prices up super, super high. That's why people were predicting Bitcoin to reach 200,000, $1 million, the past couple of years. Remember those crazy price predictions? They're based on these real mathematical numbers. It's like real science. Bitcoin is going to go to those levels. It's pure science as long as the demand continues to sustain itself, which we clearly see by these Bitcoin ETFs. So things are very bullish. I'm extremely bullish. Dogecoin to $1. If Bitcoin starts pumping up really, really hard and very fast, that money is going to flow, and it's all going to come into these altcoins like Dogecoin, Ethereum, XRP. There's a whole bunch of coins, and that's how Dogecoin can get to $1. With the hype, we haven't even really seen a lot of hype with retail. When that hype starts coming back, Dogecoin is going to start squeezing super, super high. Let me give you an example. You guys probably have heard about this coin. I honestly know everyone's heard about this coin. Dog with hat. This thing was, where did it kind of start at? It started all the way around, 28 cents. 28 cents. We saw key support at 28 cents, even 6 cents. Okay, look at this. It was 6 cents. This coin was 6 cents in January, pumped all the way up to, where are we at now? Oh my gosh, this is crazy. This is crazy to see the chart. 6 cents. It's up 37x. 37x, hit almost $3. This coin can do it. Dogecoin can get to $1 and probably much higher. I'm thinking Dogecoin is actually going to get to $1 this year and probably much higher. That's actually my price prediction. That's what I'm thinking. Based on how bullish this market is right now, guys, it's starting to look quite realistic. Now, make sure you guys are in my Patreon where people are following my plays that I'm giving out. And people are making a fortune. There's a whole bunch of coins like Jupiter. We bought at 50 cents. This thing just pumped to 82 cents. There's a whole bunch of coins that people are making a fortune off of in my calls and in my future signals that you guys do not want to miss out on the next major play that I'm about to give out. So make sure you join the Patreon as well for my constant market updates. One more thing, make sure you are using Algosniper. This indicator is insane. Look at this. For Jupiter, on the 1 hour time frame, it gives us a buy alert at 55 cents. Pumps up 43%. If you guys were using this indicator, it's going to tell you, especially in the bull markets, what coins to buy before they pump. And it will also tell you when to sell before everything starts to crash. You can try it today for $1 at algosniper.com. And highly recommend that you watch the tutorial video on the website that's going to show you exactly how to use this indicator properly. If you guys want to be trading cryptos, you need to be trading on a trading platform, not an exchange where the fees are extremely high. Use Blowfin as a platform that I trade on, and there's up to $3,000 in deposit bonuses by using my link below. That's going to be it for this video. So if you guys got something out of this video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.